wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better, I like me better.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I am back with another video, and I am testing out a new product. I don't know if you guys have heard, but Milk Makeup has launched a new concealer. It is the Future Fluid All Over Cream Concealer, and I actually received it in the mail from them. But this is the shade that they sent. I don't know if y'all can see that. It's 29N. At least it's a neutral undertone. I'm pretty sure, even as a spot concealer, I don't think, hopefully it's like a little lighter in the actual tube. I don't think I could use that as concealer, so we're gonna try it out as foundation. Let's see how this goes. Okay, so it has not launched yet. It might launch by the time this video goes up. It launches on the 8th of September. I don't know what day that is this week. But it retails for $29. It comes in 30 shades. And it says a multi-use medium to full coverage concealer that covers, sculpts, and hydrates for a lightweight, crease-proof, natural finish. Covers medium, finishes natural. Formulation is liquid. This hydrating concealer quickly covers blemishes, dark circles, and redness while helping to improve the look of your skin over time thanks to its barrier-restoring hyaluronic AI plant complex. The 92% natural long-wear formula can also be used to highlight and contour for a soft sculpt look. Like I said, the color on the outside, we see what that is, but I'm hoping we can actually use this as foundation. I actually prefer that if I have to choose between the foundation being, too light or too dark, I'm always gonna go with too dark because you can lighten it up with concealer. I would prefer a foundation just be the right shade, right? But if I had to pick between those two, I would just prefer that it be too dark. So put that down. Okay. Ooh. So this is what the shade looks like. I feel like a little red, a little warm, but she kind of blends in to my hands, right? Enough to where, hopefully, oh my God, I am wearing white. Maybe we'll also be like really light-handed with it. Let's see. I didn't dip it back in, so this is all the product that was on it. So this is what it looks like on, and I'm pretty sure I like what I see here. Like, I actually really like what I see here. I use the Chanel water tint, for a little more natural and whatnot, but I feel like this, especially because it's supposed to be like a cream coverage type thing, is giving a little more full coverage than that. So I like, but we're gonna see how this wears throughout the day. So it is 12:40, I'm late, but I'm gonna wear this throughout the day and then come back and show you guys what it looks like later on and give my thoughts on this as a foundation. Y'all, it almost happened again. It almost happened where I saw something online and I almost started crying, but I remembered that I was filming this video and then I realized it is 1:53 in the morning. I've had this on for over 12 hours and this is what my face looks like. Baby, I like it. I like it. I feel like this is giving, I think I mentioned that earlier. I don't remember at this point what I've said today. It's been a long day. But I feel like I said, when I wear the Chanel, like I'm going for a little more natural, but I feel like this gave me a little more coverage. And of course, like if you guys noticed, I was using whatever product was just on the applicator. I didn't dip it back into the container. So you could really build it up if you want to, have a nice finish and like nice coverage on the face. And hello. Hours later, I mean, yes, do I look shiny? But I feel like this is my makeup looking like, when makeup done seasoned on your face a little bit because it's been sitting there for so long. I feel like that's what it looks like. It doesn't really look like, oily on my face. Maybe that's just me. but for over 12 hours later, and this is what my face looks like, you know, I feel like she's starting to settle and to fine lines a little bit, but overall, I'm absolutely positively here for this. And it's still lightweight on the face. And if I remember from reading the description, it says it's supposed to have like a natural finish. That's probably why I like it, because it says it's supposed to have a natural finish. But seeing it on my face, I'm wearing it with the KVD Beauty concealer. And of course, I've got the Danessa primer on my face. Absolutely, absolutely. This concealer, I will be wearing as a foundation. Bummer, I couldn't really tell you guys what it's like as a concealer, which is what it's for. But for the shade that I was sent, and it said it's supposed to be like a multi-use type thing, so I already showed you. I don't know about using it as concealer, but you can certainly use it as foundation. So I hope seeing me test this out, because it's late, y'all. I'm tired. I want to go to bed. I hope seeing me test this out has helped. But everything, go check it out for yourself. Make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn notification bells down below. Thank you all for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye.
Yeah, 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 yeah.